Lycopodium, Clavatum. In nearly all cases where Lycopodium is indicated, evidence of urinary or digestive disturbance will be found. Ailments from fright, anger or mortification or vexation with reserved displeasure like staphysagria. Constitution for persons who are intellectually keen but physically weak. Upper part of the body is emaciated while the lower part of the body or lower half is semi-dropsical. They are predisposed to either lung or hepatic liver affections. Lycopodium is especially indicated for extremes of life for children as well as for old age. Mind avaricious, greedy, miserly and malicious, irritable, peevish and cross on walking. They are ugly, kick and screams, easily angered and cannot bear opposition or contradiction. There is 6 disputes. Lycopodium weeps the whole day. She cannot calm herself. Lycopodium is very sensitive. Even they cry when they are thanked. Dread of men, of solitude, irritable and melancholy mood, fear of being alone. Generalities. Lycopodium is indicated for deep-seated progressive chronic diseases, pains, aching, pressure-like, drawing type of pain, and they are majorly felt on the right side. The very important keynote of Lycopodium is there is aggravation from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. It affects right side, or you can say pain goes from right to left. Pains of throat, chest, abdomen or ovaries goes, or liver also goes from right to left. Children are weak and emaciated, well developed head but puny and sickly bodies. Baby cries all day and sleeps all night. Complexion is pale, dirty, unhealthy, sallow with deep furrows. Looks older than he is. Fan-like motion of alanezi. Canine hunger. The more he eats, the more he feels hungry and he craves for the food. Head aches if he does not eat. One foot hot and the other is cold is Lycopodium. In Lycopodium, there is waking at night because of hunger. Respiratory system, catarrh with dry and stopped nose at night. Must breathe through mouth. Snuffles. Child starts in the sleep and wakes up by rubbing nose. Snuffles of root of nose and of frontal sinuses. There is crust formation in the nose and elastic mucus plugs formation in the nose. Diphtheria. Fauces brownish red. Deposits spread from right to left tonsil. Aggravation after sleep and from cold drinks. Lycopodium is very useful in neglected and maltreated pneumonia, what you say in swine flu also. Base of right lung is especially involved. Lycopodium hastens absorption or expectoration. Cough, deep, hollow, even rising mucus in large quantities affords a little relief. Stomach and abdomen. Everything tastes sour to Lycopodium. Eructations, heartburn, water brash, sour vomiting. In gastric affections of Lycopodium, there is excessive accumulation of flatulence in the abdomen, constant sensation of satiety with good appetite, but few mouthfuls fill up the throat and then he starts feeling bloated. Fermentation in the abdomen with loud grumbling and croaking, especially in lower abdomen. The same is felt in upper abdomen. Its carbohydrate. Fullness not relieved by belching is Lycopodium. Constipation since puberty, since last confinement, since away from the home. Constipation of infants with ineffectual urging, but the rectum contracts and protrudes during stool and forms the haemorrhoids. Discharge of blood from the genitals while passing the stool. Lycopodium is a great remedy for right-sided hernia, especially in children. The Genito-Urinary System. Lycopodium is a very important homeopathic drug for renal calculus, that is kidney stones. In Lycopodium, majorly there is right kidney involvement and usually there is formation of stones in the right kidney. Red sand in the urine on child's diaper. Child cries and screams before urination. These are the symptoms of urethritis as well as of cystitis. Pain in back, especially the right renal angle, which is relieved by urinating. Lycopodium is also used for renal colic. Male reproductive system. Lycopodium is indicated for impotency of young men from onanism or sexual excess. Penis is small, cold and relaxed. Lycopodium is indicated for old men where they have a great desire but imperfect erection. Falls asleep during an embarrass. Lycopodium is a great remedy for premature ejaculation. The female reproductive system. In Lycopodium there is dryness of vagina and there is burning during and after the intercourse, which is called as dyspareunia. Lycopodium is also a very good drug for right-sided polycystic ovary. In a pregnant lady, she feels that the fetus appears to be taking somersaults inside the uterus. Aggravation. Please remember, nearly all complaints of Lycopodium are aggravated from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Amelioration from warm food, warm drinks, from uncovering the head and by loosening the garments. Lycopodium is a deep-seated and long-acting homeopathic remedy. It removes bad effects of onion, bread, wine, liquors, alcohol, smoking or of chewing tobacco. Please read the clinical indications of Lycopodium in next slide. Keep watching Homeopathy in 2 minutes for students. Thank you.